AI in games. Modern education revolves around game-based learning, and artificial intelligence ensures that children learn and have fun together. Let us now learn about some artificial intelligence games that can take kids to the creative world. 𝐂𝐸 Jr. 𝐂𝐸 Jr. is a platform where you can learn computational thinking skills and the basic concepts of coding. It is a blog-based coding platform. To play this game, visit the following link or scan the QR code. Emoji Scavenger Hunt. Emoji Scavenger Hunt game uses AI to identify emojis in the real world using the mobile device's camera. It starts by displaying a picture of an object, and the child has to go around the house looking for the same. This game can help small children learn about different objects from around the house. How to play. This game can be best enjoyed on a cell phone. Visit or scan the QR code to play the game. 1. Click on Let's Play button. 2. Find the given object using your camera. 3. Click on Next Emoji button to go for next object. Shadow Art. Shadow art is an age-old game where one would make a shadow with one hand and ask their friends to guess. AI game Shadow Art allows kids to learn how to make shadow puppets just by using their hands. To play this game, visit the following link or scan the QR code. Rock, Paper, Scissors. Rock, Paper, Scissors is a hand game typically played by two people. In this game, both players make one of three hand shapes at the same time: rock, paper, or scissors. In this game, the AI learns by first making random decisions and then adjusting them to promote interactions that lead to victories. To play this game, visit the following link or scan the QR code. Auto Draw. Drawing is a fun activity for both children and adults, but drawing on a digital platform can be difficult. Catering to this problem, Google came up with a solution, Auto Draw. Auto Draw is a powerful tool used for drawing images. It deploys AI features to enhance the images drawn. Follow the given steps to use Auto Draw. Visit or scan the QR code. 1. Select any tool from the right-hand toolbar. 2. Drag on the drawing canvas to draw any shape. Once you have drawn on the canvas, you will see that a toolbar appears on the top of the drawing canvas. 3. Select the shapes from the top toolbar that resembles your idea.